Yes, hello. Good day. Good day. PowerBI project file. What is it? And we can just take a look, and I will guide you through something here. You have, for example, some report. It might be anything, and we just look now how to do the file saving as PowerBI project file, because project file in PowerBI can be very powerful to not have it as a binary, but have it instead as some kind of text file, you know. And you will do it like just go first into the options and setting, please. And there you will have the option to go to the preview features, and it's very important here to keep only this check mark on, only this one, and not those, please, because this might be some problem to you. So just keep the PowerBI save option here, and yes, there we go. For example, here to save us and save your field system, and this will be then saved as a tip for the project file. And yes, if we then go to this folder and take a look, then we will be very quickly seeing folders created for PowerBI project file, and then the single just a file to hit those folders. And in those folders you see some kind of text fields. Just as I was mentioning, we have here just readable text fields, for example, with some JSON. And this will look like that. Yeah. So just try to as well, the model.beam file is also some kind of JSON file, and yeah, we can just use that functionality for CI/CD